Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing my second in a series of 3 tofu recipes. If you missed the first one, I'll link it down below. I made crispy sesame crusted tofu, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy, spicy, baked peanut sauce tofu. Let's get it. So I like to use firm or extra firm tofu in this recipe. I just wrap it up, I let it sit in a clean kitchen rag under some weights, toss a couple cans on there for a half hour or so to squeeze out the extra liquid, and then I cut it into cubes, or any shape is fine. For our sauce, you will need some peanut butter, or any kind of nut butter works fine. Tahini also works if you can't have nuts. Some soy sauce or liquid aminos, rice vinegar, and a little bit of any kind of sweetener. I'm using brown rice syrup, but maple sizzurp or some brown sugar will also do the trick. I'm adding some chili paste for spice. Add more if you like it to be super spicy. This, just 1 tablespoon here, is gonna make it like moderately spicy. I'm adding a little drizzle of sesame oil, and now some fresh ingredients. You'll squeeze in the juice of 1 small lime. This just really brightens up the flavor, makes it taste super fresh. Here we have some ginger paste that I prepared on this handy dandy grater. And you know me, I love garlic, so I'm pressing tons of that into the sauce and whisking it all together. Toss your tofu cubes in the sauce to coat them generously. And then you'll transfer your tofu cubes onto a lined baking tray. Now leave a little bit of space between them so that they can cook evenly on all sides. Then pop them in the oven and bake until the sauce has dried onto the tofu, caramelized slightly. I have the exact instructions linked down below on my blog. Now you should have a little bit of sauce left over in the bowl after you're done tossing your tofu, so I like to combine this with a few tablespoons of water and simmer it until it thickens to make some more sauce that you can drizzle over your finished tofu or on top of any veggies that you're serving on the side. And the reason I'm doing this is to cook out the raw garlic and ginger and just mellow out those flavors. So I did this while the tofu was baking. I happen to really like peanut sauce with bok choy or sauteed spinach. I just think they go well together. So I serve my tofu with some rice, some steamed bok choy, and some baby corn, and I drizzled on a little bit of the extra sauce over my veggies.
I'm just having one of those days when I feel like a potato and I didn't want to be on camera, but we're just gonna suck it up and do it in the spirit of tofu. So I put about a heaping tablespoon of the chili paste in mine, and it's not that spicy. So if you kind of like it to be spicy, I would add more, I think 2 or 3 tablespoons even. This peanut sauce or something like it, I make it all the time. It's good on any type of protein. It's good on vegetables. I make peanut sauce noodles with this, just to like put it in spaghetti noodles or brown rice noodles. So good. I've also been eating so much bok choy lately. I've been putting it in a lot of my like soups, noodle soups. Also, while I was waiting for the tofu to bake, I ate like half the can of baby corn. It's so good. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you make this recipe, let me know. Tag me in a photo on Instagram. If you missed the first tofu recipe in the series, I'll link it down below along with some other tofu recipes I have. And I'll see you soon. Bye.